Hello! Welcome to Medfest Productions. Today we are going to be making high-density polyethylene rings using these caps from energy drink lids. Different kinds. I'm sure you all know the brands. Yay! Okay, so yeah, basically these are just big old energy drink bottles that have these screw-on caps, and I can take all these stickers off of them so that that doesn't melt as well. But anyways, so yeah, these caps I can use as a form to create the rings that I'm going to be doing for today. So I'm going to take out these little washers inside here. These are just gaskets that kind of let it seal to from aluminum to aluminum. But yes, aluminum is the perfect, in my opinion, way to melt down the plastic because it absorbs the heat really fast, and it disperses really fast. And the plastic doesn't. Plastic holds that heat for a long time. Well, high density polyethylene holds it for a long time. I've had ingots using these bread tins right here. Ingots of that taking up to 2 to 3 days to cool down properly. Just kind of radiating a small amount of heat, more than just the room temperature. So yeah, they take a long time to kind of finally get down there, depending on how big it is, because it's got to get all the way down to the middle. So yeah, I just pull off the plastic from it, and then it's all this goopy stuff that I just don't like on the back of these. And I've already processed, sorry if you can hear the binging, that's people trying to message me, even though I tried to turn that off beforehand. I've processed a lot of high-density polyethylene into this. They're just sticks, and as you saw in my previous video, I had a paint bucket, right? The blue paint bucket that I cleaned yesterday. I just used tin snips, just like this, and I would just get it right on the edge of this crack, and where I cut before, and I just cut these kind of, okay, that was a failed attempt. And you can probably hear helicopters in the background. They're searching for a kid right now, unfortunately. It's a missing child. We have the Amber Alert going off today for a missing child. Anyways, so yeah, I get these little tiny strands off of this using tin snips. Right? These are amazing for cutting high-density polyethylene. Cuts right through it. You want a nice, clean, new pair of tin snips, and use it for plastic and plastic only, so that the blade stays razor sharp all the way through. And as long as you're using it for high-density polyethylene, that lasts a long time. It's really nice. So anyways, yes, the blue, as I said from the previous video, is from from Lowe's. Sorry. And then Folgers red. I have Folgers green, which is my favorite color of green. I finally found my razor blades that I was looking for from a previous video. If you watch all my videos. And then I have black here. This looks like from a... why is my camera messing up? Sorry, guys. There we go. This black, it looks like it from some kind of spray container. Probably one of those like body spray containers. One of my favorite easy to find ones is these like Gatorade cap lids. Those are amazing. They find them everywhere. It's a great source for black. The only problem with that is there's the rubber gasket, like I said before, in the bottom of those. You can't just pull these out. They're actually stuck. So I'm going to have to razor blade those off. We'll see how hard that is to process. Anyways, so while I'm melting stuff down, I'll be processing others. You're going to find a lot of that today. I have to make these into this. So if you see, this one is already ready compared to this. See how it has these tabs right here? Okay, this one doesn't. I already flattened those out. What this does is those little tabs are what screws it onto the can, and I need to pop those back so that it doesn't grab the plastic, so it just pops right out, and I can reuse these caps over and over and over again. And so yes, it gave me a reason to tell my wife, I need energy drinks, and she's like, no you don't, they're going to kill you. And I said, well, I need them for high density polyethylene, and she says, no, they're still going to kill you. And so I drank them anyways and didn't listen. So yeah, we're just going to be doing all this, and I'm going to go ahead and put some stuff in the cooker here, because we have a cane. This is some high density polyethylene that I cooked up a while back. I don't believe this is in an episode, I apologize. But yeah, so it's from the ingot made from this bread tin here. And I took it out and cut it on a table saw from the table saw that I made in an earlier video. I made the beginning of it, never finished it because I ran out of battery on my phone. So anyways, I cut it down. I actually cut it in half because I want to see how well I can weld it back together again. But this is going to be a handle to a cane. And that cane will be a project that I'm working on as well. Lots of things going on today. Another thing that I need to do as my projects is I found some of this kind of reddish, maroonish looking color here from detergent bottle, and I want to use that in a project for a buddy of mine. And then I found this skewer that's part of that maroon color as well, and we're going to be making a negative today using the same kind of aluminum from a can. We're going to cut it up, and we're going to try to form a spike. It's going to be a long process. I need to make several of these spikes, so I don't know how well